In many European folk tales, the bluebird of happiness is a well-known symbol representing joy, fulfillment, and good fortune. This idea of the bluebird as a bringer of happiness is deeply rooted in folklore across different cultures and may date back thousands of years. The bluebird's striking color and cheerful song have made it a natural emblem of positivity and well-being. In Native American traditions, among various tribes, bluebirds are closely tied to nature, the seasons, and even spiritual guidance. For example, the Cherokee people believed that bluebirds had the power to influence the weather, while the Hopis saw them as sacred directional guardians, associated with the coming of spring and renewal. Across cultures, the bluebird remains a timeless and universal symbol of hope, change, and happiness.